How to apply promo code on Tinder. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply promo code on Tinder. To do so, first of all, you need to ensure you have valid and unexpired promo code of Tinder. Now once you have got that, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type tinder.com, the official website of Tinder. Once you have entered this keyword, press the go button in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Tinder. Here once you reach to this page, you need to scroll down and at the very bottom you will see various options categorized on different headings. You will need to head over to this FAQ section and under it at the very bottom you'll be able to see promo code option. Now go ahead and select promo code. Once doing that, here now you will be presented with this screen. Here enter your promo code and once you have done that, tap on this submit button at the very bottom. After that, you may need to enter your credit card information to complete the process. So by following the steps, you should be able to apply promo code on Tinder. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.